Hey guys, I'm Alan.
I'm Stevie.
We just got off of work. Stevie's been working all day, and luckily I only had to work part of the day. So now that we've got away, we're about to head out, and we're going on a little away time from the plant. And we're going to go to this restaurant that everybody always talks about called the Powder House. It's one of like maybe 5 restaurants in town. With the COVID thing, everything's really hard to get into. As far as anything being open at all. So this is one place that we can go, mask friendly, and hopefully we can get something good to eat. All that aside, we'll probably have some of this adventure in a different video, but in the meantime, we wanted to show you some footage from when we first got to, where? Cordova, Alaska. So we got some of that footage and some stuff from us hiking Sheridan Glacier, which we had in our last video. This is from the first time we actually hiked it all the way up to the top and could overlook the glacier. So hopefully there's some good footage for you guys. Hope you're all doing well and have a good day. There's some No Road Cordova, Alaska for you. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see you in a little bit. First outing. Oh, we're still going. Get it! It sure is a beautiful day outside. But you know what? It's not more beautiful than? It's not more beautiful than you. Oh!